So we're going to Coney Island now. We're going to take the queue all the way to the last stop, which is Coney Island, and we'll take you guys along, kind of show you guys what Coney Island is about, is it worth it or not, and yeah, join us on this journey, I guess. Buzzy. And we made it! You can see it right over here.
Yes. I think the Ferris wheel. Somewhere
the
there.
light.
Yeah.
It's somewhere, it's right behind us.
Yes,
but
trust us.
we're gonna go and we'll see you at Coney Island.
Just like a couple seconds, right? Hey.
Drivers signature reservator with a thick frosty worksheet. There is something for every palate here, from traditional Naples hot dogs to French fries and pizza. Party with pizzas and burgers. Personally iconic.
Here, let me know when I need to take a video of you, okay?
Don't worry about it.
What?
Can we trade places by chance?
Okay.
Oh my fucking god, never mind. This is swinging! It's literally a swinging Ferris wheel. And Mazumbo here is freaking out. I'm freaking out too, and I'm fine.
I can't deal with this.
But Mazumbo is legit freaking out. This is so great. His face is just great. Let me show you.
This thing is old, it's rickety, and every time it swings, you're in like this tiny little thing. I just can't deal with it. I can't deal with it right now. Whew. Look, I love you. You want a selfie now? Yeah.
Is he?
Oh.
Is it even playing? It is playing, but the wrong way, I guess.
I'm scared shitless.
But it is so fun, right?
Yes, yeah. I'm enjoying myself. The view of the beach and the water is great. This view is also pretty great.
Today's one's so fun.
It has Coney Island. It wasn't. I didn't know what to expect, but it was pleasant and not in a. I was afraid it would be like too crowded or a bit too like
Dirty?
yeah. But it was nice. It was clean. It wasn't as crowded, and it also felt authentic. I think that's a big part of
Like
it.
homey.
A lot of local people enjoyed themselves. There actually wasn't too many tourists.
Yeah.
Or it didn't feel like it,
No, I agree.
especially this period that we're on.
Yeah. Feels so nice. We're just laying here, honestly.
You look so good.
Oh, thanks, Will. Okay.
So,
How is it?
Delicious. Best $4 ever.
And we made quite the mess though. Look at all that. Super juicy, right? I love you.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
And we literally got rained on. Hey. I'm telling them we got rained on.
Oh yes, drenched extensively.
Here's my highlighter is still there though.
priorities,
But
right?
look, it's literally drenched. And we wait. We're just basically here to like close the loop on the vlog. All in all, it was a really fun time. Me and Muzzy had a blast, right? It was so fun. Something to note though, so there's actually two parks. One is, basically two parks. One is called Luna, the other one's like Dano's, what's it called? Wonder Wheel. And that's like where like the Ferris wheel is located. Sorry. That's where the Ferris wheel is located, and we really wanted to do that one. So then we had to go in another part of the park, and we couldn't use the same credits. So that's just something to note as well. Ferris wheel is $10 each. $10 each, and it's cash only. So just make sure that you have cash on you when you come to Coney Island. Another thing to note, most of the rides are $7 to $8 each, depending on what ride you want to ride.
Yeah, so the unlimited passes would make sense if you're here all day.
Yeah, so it's $69 for unlimited passes. But that's just for Luna's park, not for the Dano's Wonder Wheel. So again, the Ferris wheel does not include like the unlimited $69. So that's something to note. What else? It was a good time. It was fun. There was a beach. We, had fun on the beach. We didn't really sit because we are wearing nice clothes. So I guess if we come to Coney Island, bring a towel, bring a pair of clothes. Like your swimsuit if you want to. Don't wear nice clothes because they will get dirty. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. 10 out of 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was fun.
It was a blast.
Yeah. You guys should definitely visit if you want to have a good time and get out of the city vibes of New York.
Yeah. It's an escape, really.
Definitely.
And it's in your backyard, so why not?
Exactly. It's just like an hour ride. And it's essentially free if you have the unlimited subway pass, so why not? Right? Okay, bye. I'm gonna wave.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.